Here is why you should never copy and paste commands straight into your terminal. Imagine I'm a beginner and I want to learn how to update Ubuntu. So I'm going to look up how to update Ubuntu, and I'm going to go to this very nice looking blog right here. And I see the command and it seems right, sudo apt update. Seems right. So I'm going to copy that. And I'm just going to paste it straight into my terminal. What could go wrong here? I'm going to paste it right in, and boom, I got hacked. What just happened? Okay, let's analyze what just happened. So, first of all, I started an HTTP server locally just so I can set up this website. And now you can see that I have here the HTML, the source file, and we have here the shell that was just executed, or it's not a shell in this case, but the code that was just executed. So let's see what's in copyhack.html. So we see here we have our code, right? We have our sudo apt update, and we have here our JavaScript. And what this basically does is it gets this ID, right? This p tag, which is our command, and we're pretty much gonna use JavaScript to tell it, hey, when you copy this command, copy this string instead. Now, what does this string do? Now, it's using curl, which is pretty much going to fetch the contents of this URL, and it's going to pipe it into the program sh, or shell, I guess. I don't know what the correct term is, but to sh, which will automatically execute whatever is inside of this URL. And it's going to add this new line right here. So it will automatically do enter. So you don't actually have the option to, change your mind and see that, hey, this is not the command that I copied. So it's automatically, as you paste it, it's going to enter it and run it. All you have to do is click that paste button and it will run. So let's see what's inside of the shell.sh file. So let's exit out of that, and very simple, just ID and echo, and you can put here a reverse shell or whatever. So pretty much if I go back to what I just did to that command, it's just going to fetch that URL, and let me show you what it's going to look like this, and we're just going to pipe it into sh, and it runs the file, and then we see here we have the ID. Now an attacker could also, for example, add sudo at the beginning, and if you misconfigured your VM or whatever, or your Linux distro, and you set it so you don't need a password whenever you run sudo, pretty much this will just root your box and you're done. You can't do anything about that anymore. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something valuable today, and never copy and paste commands straight into your terminal. That's it. Bye.